very quick run through the members area of Moolah that you will get access to when you sign up to the front end, but also just to give you a little bit of income proof to prove that these methods do actually work. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to head over to my Warrior Plus account and just show you my current dashboard. So as you can see, this is live right now. And you can see that in the last 30 days, my earnings from Warrior Plus alone have been 8,571.57. And if you add in earnings from the other two main affiliate platforms that I use, which is JVZoo and ClickBank, and also money that comes from my own membership sites, and we'll be discussing that in the fifth method of Moolah in the training, then you will see that that comfortably comes to over $10,000 a month. So I just wanted to show you that, folks, not to be in any way boastful, but just to show you that this method absolutely works, and that when I say that I'm earning a 5-figure monthly income, you know, I actually am. So that is the income proof part of this video. And the second part is just to give you a very quick walk around this membership area. So when you come in, you'll see the welcome video from me. And then what we have is an overview of the entire system. And then we have videos breaking down the individual methods. So as we've talked about, there's the super basic method, which is for earning $50 a month. There's method 2, which is the residual income method, which is going to get you money coming in regularly on autopilot each and every month from a series of different platforms, but I will go into all of that in full. The 50 to 100 a day method, which deals with affiliate marketing, our 2,000 a month method, and my secret method. So you will just click on any of these and then that will bring up the individual videos. You'll also have your bonuses that come with the product. You'll have upgrades or an opportunity to pick up the upgrades if you miss them first time round, and there's also going to be some unadvertised bonuses, and by the time we go live there may even be a couple of more things in there. But I just wanted to, you know, clarify for you exactly what you're going to be getting with your very low front end price. You've got absolutely everything that you need. And just to clarify that apart from method number 5, which will have an ongoing monthly cost of $19, there isn't anything that you need to pay for any of these methods 1 through to 4, all right, for them to work. Nothing to pay out. So that is really it. That is the walkthrough of Moolah and the income proof. And I look forward to seeing you inside when you've picked up the product. Until then, bye for now.